Comprehensive Report on IRS Form 4506T, Request for Transcript of Tax Return. Introduction. The IRS Form 4506T is a standardized document used by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, taxpayers or authorized third parties to request a transcript of various types of previously filed tax returns. This form is frequently used in financial, legal, and administrative matters where proof of income or past tax filings is required. It is especially vital in loan applications, audits, identity verification, and income verification processes. Purpose of Form 4506T. Form 4506T, titled Request for Transcript of Tax Return, serves the following key functions. Requesting tax return transcripts. Taxpayers can request copies of their tax return transcript, Form 1040 series, for up to 4 previous years. Requesting account transcripts. These provide data on payments, penalties, interest, adjustments, and outstanding balances. Verification of non-filing status. Used to prove that the taxpayer did not file a return for a particular year, often required in FAFSA applications. Requesting W-2, 1099, 1098, and 5498 information. A transcript showing income from employers, lenders, or financial institutions. Authorization for third parties. Allows mortgage lenders, student aid agencies, or attorneys to receive tax data directly from the IRS. Who uses IRS Form 4506T? Mortgage lenders and loan officers, for verifying borrower income. Educational institutions and FAFSA processors, for income-based financial aid. Legal professionals, for estate planning, divorce proceedings, or litigation. Tax preparers, to confirm past filing records or correct errors. Government agencies, for welfare, housing, or disability benefits verification. Individuals, to maintain accurate personal records or rectify tax-related issues. Information required on the form. The form requests the following information. 1. Taxpayer's name and Social Security number, SSN, or Employer Identification Number, EIN. 2. Spouse's information, if joint return. 3. Current address and previous address, if different from the one on the requested return. 4. Type of transcript requested, return transcript, account transcript, record of account, verification of non-filing. 5. Tax years requested. 6. Signature and date. Must be signed by the taxpayer or authorized representative. If requesting on behalf of a business, proper authority must be documented. Filing process. Submission. Form 4506T can be submitted by mail or fax, depending on the location of the taxpayer and the type of request. No fee for transcripts. Unlike Form 4506, used to request a full copy of tax returns for a fee, Form 4506T is generally free. Processing time typically takes 5 to 10 business days if filed correctly. Common use case, mortgage lending. Mortgage lenders frequently require IRS Form 4506T during underwriting to verify a borrower's income against tax return data. This helps reduce fraud and ensures the borrower's ability to repay the loan. The process is now streamlined through the IRS Income Verification Express Service, IVES, where turnaround is quicker. Form 4506T versus Form 4506C. 4506T, general use for transcripts, often in personal or legal matters. 4506C, specifically created for IVES participants, lenders and financial institutions. Required in mortgage transactions starting in 2021. Security and privacy considerations. Because sensitive personal data is involved, Form 4506T must be handled securely. The IRS takes precautions to prevent identity theft or unauthorized disclosures. The requester must be properly authorized. Potential errors and delays. Illegible handwriting. Missing or incorrect SSN/IN. Wrong transcript type or tax year. Improper authorization or lack of signature. These issues can delay processing or cause rejections. Legal standing and importance. Form 4506T is a legally binding request that, once signed, authorizes the IRS to share tax data. It serves as evidence in both legal and financial settings and plays a vital role in the transparency of income reporting and debt assessment. Conclusion. IRS Form 4506T is a vital financial and legal tool that facilitates transparency, verification, and regulatory compliance. From mortgage loans to college aid to legal disputes, this form serves as a gateway to trusted tax information. Individuals and professionals alike should ensure it is completed accurately and submitted through the correct channels for efficient processing.